Hannah and Steven! Today we're back with another unboxing toys video. Yay! Yay! And it's Cole's mobile, right? Yeah. And this is what I have. I have a Capsule Chix doll thingy. I don't really know what it's called, but do you want to open them now? Yeah. Okay. I'm so excited, right? Yeah. I think I have to open this or something. Yeah, it says you have to turn it. Turn it into a... Okay. I think I'm just going to open this first. Ooh. Wow. Whoa, look at it. It's an egg. It's so cool. Look. So this is the surprise. So there's supposed to be a doll, and these are the surprises I can put on the doll. Oh, not everything. I just got stickers. Okay. Okay. So first, this is back to... Okay, I need my scissors. Yeah, I'm starting... I need your scissors. Can you, okay. Can you open this? Okay. Scissors. Here you go. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So this is a little small bag. Okay, so I got the first surprise. Let's open it. Steven, you want to see what's inside? Yeah. Okay, wait. How do I even open this? Okay, I got it. Ooh, it's in a little pink bag. It's so cute. What do you think that's inside it? I think a little doll. I think it's clothes for the doll. First, I think it's a shoes. Okay, ready to see what it is? Oh, it's a body. No, it's hands. Yeah, hands with the body. Okay, next one. Oh, wait. I just found something. I didn't see it. Okay. Oh, these are the instructions. Okay. I think I know what to do, though. So, ooh. Oh, we just like do that, and then another one comes down. Okay. This guy looks hard to open. This guy looks really cool. Yeah? I think you guys... What guy are you doing? This guy. It looks really cool. I think you guys will like it too. Okay, time to open the next one. What do you think it will be, Steven? I think it'll be a head. A head? Yeah. Okay. I think it will be shoes. Oh, wait, let me go get something. I dropped something. Okay, ready? I'm back. That's quick, right? That's right! Oh, it's little shoes. I thought, wait, is there one more? Oh, wait. This is a keychain or something. Oh, and look at this tiny little ring. I can't even see it. No, yeah, it is. There's another shoe. Look. That's so cute. It looks so cool. It's kind of like a snake. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Okay, I got another one. You have a lot of eggs. I'm having fun already. Okay. Time to open this one. Okay. What do you think this one's going to be, Steven? I think it's going to be a head. I think every time it's a head. I think too. I think it's a head too. It feels like a head. You were right, Steven. It's a head. It's a purple head. Oh, wait, and it's going to have hair in the back. Yeah. This is a stick. I have no idea what this for, but okay. Now for the next one. Okay, now can you... Oh, I found a sword. The next one. Oh, I don't need scissors. What are you building now? I'm building Cole. Let me see. See? Look. He has a little sword. What if he beats you up? That's gonna be weird. Okay, ready? Ooh, this one's a big one.
I think it's gonna be feet.
Feet?
Yeah.
Okay. You were right, Steven. Why do you keep getting it right? And a skirt. Ooh, look, a skirt.
That looks cool.
Okay. Now time for
I'm concentrating on my Legos. Oh wait, I think. Oh yeah, that one's the next.
This is the
How many?
last one.
Yeah, I thought there's like 60 more in there.
Okay.
This
is the last
in
one.
my head was like, man, that's a lot.
Oh, this is. Look. Could you tell? Look. These two bags are different.
Yeah, they have a different word. Well, guys, look,
Okay.
I made coal.
Ready? Okay, what do you think this is?
I think it's hair.
Yeah, you were right, Steven. Oh, what kind of hair is this?
Yeah,
Okay.
I actually done. Oh, that's the hair, not this.
This is the hair. Okay, this is the hair. As white hair. Okay, let's see. Let's see who I got.
I dropped something again. I knew you would get it.
Okay. So I have to look at the face to see which one I got. Okay. Which one?
I think you got, no, wait.
It's this one.
Yeah, it's that one.
Oh, I got that one. Okay, so it's supposed to have these. Okay. I think I got it now. Okay, I have the feet. I'm going to start with feet first. Now I think I have to put the skirt on. Oh, that was easy. See? Now the skirt's on. The body. It's right here. Ooh, it's kind of hard to put on, but
Wait,
okay.
guys, look. I made Kai.
Why is his name Kai?
I don't know.
Okay. Uh-oh, I broke it. What way is it supposed to be? That's the butt, and this is, okay, the front. This is kind of hard to put on.
Yeah. Wait, let me see how. We're 6 years old and I'm 6.
Okay, I got a skirt on. Now I'm gonna try again. Okay, Stan, what are you doing now?
Okay, I'm making clothes in a bio now.
Okay, I finally got it on.
Was that hard?
Yeah, that was really hard.
Wait, was it harder to punch me?
Okay, I got the head on. Wait a minute, is this supposed to be a necklace? Oh no, it's not.
I think that's a purse.
Now, oh, there's a little ring. I can put the ring on.
This is hard. I dropped something again. I dropped
Okay.
something again.
I'm gonna do the hair now.
I keep dropping stuff.
Okay, I got the back. Now the front.
Okay.
The front. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that looks
Okay,
good.
she kind of looks good.
Wait, you need her shoes.
I need her shoes.
Oh wait, this is an earring.
Okay. It's kind of hard to put her shoes on.
Is this an earring? Oh no, this is a ring.
Okay.
No, it's not a ring, it's an earring.
The shoes are kind of hard to put on.
Yeah.
What step are you on, Steven?
Oh, I'm in step 5.
What? I don't think that's really quick. Okay, I got her first shoe on. Doesn't that look cool? Okay, now for her second shoe. Okay.
Yeah.
What?
Oh wait, you're in your her second shoe.
Okay.
That looks.
There we go. I finished her. turn now for the final thing. I need to put this right here on the thingy-majiggy. How do I put this on?
Wait,
Okay. Twist it. I think I'm supposed to twist it.
Oh, wait, you could put that on like an egg like before.
Okay. Now I have to put her on. Uh-oh.
Is that hard?
Kinda.
Kinda? What does kinda mean?
I got her on. I got her.
Yay!
Oh, she's wiggly. Okay,
I don't think wiggly is a word.
Yes, it is. Trust me. Okay. Got her. Yay! And I think I could... Oh, I forgot something.
Wait, what is that? No, that's her purse, I think.
I forgot it. I forgot that. I completely forgot it. Her, hold it in her hand. Okay, she has it on her hand now. And this ring is...
Oh, I see where it goes.
This is a really tiny ring.
Wait, Hannah, it goes
But
here.
it doesn't fit on her finger. Where?
Right there.
Oh, wait. Yeah, that doesn't go there. Look, see? Ah!
That doesn't go there.
Look,
It's not a word. That doesn't go there.
See, it's really tiny, but it doesn't fit on her. It's okay. Let me find out later. Oh, I think I could also put all the eggs back in and then twist it again so I could do it again.
Do it is not a word.
It's 2 words.
Do it. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna look at the little
Hey,
booklet
do that.
so I could see which one I got. Okay, which one did I get? You're in step 10 now?
Yeah, now I'm...
Oh, I got her.
Wait, which one?
Oh. Wait, no, I didn't get her. That's wrong. Okay. Ooh. I got this one right here. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, and here are the shoes.
And here are the shoes is not a word.
Okay.
Guys, look. So far I did this much.
Okay. And yeah, that's all. I got my little doll right here.
Wait, let me
With
see it.
Giant ring.
Oh wait, Hannah, you could click this
What?
on.
Oh yeah, that's right. I think I could put her on. Oh, she's wiggling. Woo! She's dancing actually. Woo! Woo! I like her because she has this thingy on her hair, but I don't know what it is. But okay.
She doesn't even know what this thingy means.
Okay. What are you doing now?
I don't know. I actually don't.
Okay. Let me try to redo it. Let me try to put all the boxes back in, and let me try to redo it. Take everything off.
Redo it doesn't make any sense.
I don't care. You say that for everything.
Yeah, I do, right?
Okay. Okay, got one in. Bye-bye. You're gonna go in a box now.
There. Oh, I found it.
Yay! Bye-bye. Go ahead. Okay, now time for this one. It's gonna go in this one right here.
Oh my god.
Okay, the skirt. The skirt, I think. Wait a minute. Okay, never mind. Okay.
The shoes don't come off.
The
skirt doesn't make any sense.
Okay. Now for the last one.
The last one
The
is
ring
not a
goes in.
word.
Boop. I don't know what this is.
That's a purse.
I don't care. The purse goes in, the shoes goes in, and the other shoe go in. Okay? Now time to close it up. Okay. Come on, close. Okay, I got it closed. Let me try to put it in again now. Okay. Let me see if I could cut this tape off. Uh-oh.
Nice look.
I don't think I can. Okay. What step are you on, Steven?
Right now I'm on step 15.
Is it hard to do, Steven?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah, just kind of. But Legos are very fun.
Whoa, look. I could put it back in.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all back in their home. Okay. Now,
Why did you two say all back in their home?
why? I can't say that?
It's just so funny.
Okay, I put everything back in. Now I have to close it back up.
Hannah, save me. I'm in danger. Please save me with those eggs. Please, please.
Okay.
Wait, you said okay, you could save me?
Yippee! I put it back together. Oh, look at my new toy. Let's open it now.
Hannah, what are all those bags for?
Let's see. What do I have to do? This is the instructions. I don't need it now. I just twist this thingamajig right here, and it goes down. It's the shoes. Okay. Uh-oh.
I was like,
I got it.
like when Hannah dropped it, I was like,
Okay, I think I know what to do. Put everything in here. Okay, now time to twist another one. Come on, come out, come out, come out! Oh, no. Oh, another one came out. Yay! Legs. And a skirt. Put the legs in like it's going in a pool. And do that. And another one just came out. And it's the hair.
are you going to keep doing that until I'm done?
I think so. Ooh, it's the hair. It has a feather thingy-majig.
A thingy-majig is not a word.
Yeah, you are right. It's not a word. It's 2 words. I actually think it's not a word. I don't think it is a word.
But Hannah just made that up. But some people say thingy-majig, but I don't know what does it mean.
Okay. Now it's the shirt in the hands. It's just going to go in there and go like that. I think this is the last one. Yay! I got the 5th one. And it's the head. Okay. The head goes in there. And now I'm gonna build.
Wait, are you gonna build like Legos?
No. Are you almost done?
No.
Okay, can you see it? Steven, are you done yet?
Yep, I'm done.
Yay! Yippee! Yippee-ki-yay! It's called mobile.
Wait, let me get something. Let me get something. Hello, people. I brought some visitors. Hello, everybody. I got some visitors right here. Guys, look at everything I did. I did this like for my for Christmas. I did this I think for my birthday. I think
Yeah?
and I did this for my birthday. I did this today.
Okay, everybody. So make sure to subscribe and like. Yeah.
And we're still making our
Yeah. And
doll, but it doesn't matter. So
yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Bye!